Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 20. Pink color, green color, light pink color, yellow color, sky blue color, green color, violet color, black color, blue color and orange color, red color. Let's draw numbers. Yellow color 1, ONE 1. Red color 2, TWO 2. Blue color 3, THREE 3. Black color 4. Green color 5. Orange color 6. Sky blue color 7. Green color 8. Red color 9. Yellow color 10. Pink color 11. Blue color 12. Black color 13. Green color 14. Orange color 15. Green color 16. Light pink color 17. Sky blue color 18. Violet color 19. Green color 20. Once again learning all numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, bye kids.